Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Wanted to give you all another health update since the accident. But first, I wanted to say thank you to everyone. I somehow hit 2,000 subscribers today. Don't know how on earth that happened. You're all some amazing, wonderful people, so thank you so much for your subscriptions. It means a whole lot to me, and I really do appreciate it. And thank you, everyone, for all your amazing comments I've been receiving about my health. It's been very, very helpful, so I appreciate it very much. I also want to thank all the people who have been helping me. I've had a lot of friends who have been showing up, taking me to appointments, helping build furniture, helping set up my house, helping clean my house, things like that. So thank you so much to all the people who've been helping me, as I've been pretty much unable to walk for the past few weeks. With that being said, I want to apologize that I have not shown any of the accident footage yet. I mean, I show a little tease of it at the beginning of the health updates. I'm waiting for the body cam footage, which I subpoenaed from the district attorney. So once I receive that, I will compile all of it together into one comprehensive video. So that's what I'm waiting for there before I post the accident. I have it all recorded. I have 3 camera angles of everything. So it will all be posted here shortly. I'm just, like I said, waiting for body cam footage. So hang tight for that, because that will come soon, I promise. I apologize for the thrashed office behind me. As you can imagine, in the state that I'm in, I can't really do a whole lot of cleaning. And also, my office is full of all of the broken equipment, broken cameras, helmets that are cracked, and, all of the safety equipment that I was wearing that I, have to report. I have all my insurance documents and lawyer documents, and I am just overwhelmed with the things that are in this office. So I apologize that it is just a giant mess of garbage, because yes, it's it's a lot, it's overwhelming, and I don't really have the ability to get everything all cleaned up. So appreciate y'all dealing with that. So health update. I have finally seen all the doctors for all the body parts, and I actually have diagnoses for all that's ailing me. Basically, breaks down like this. I have no broken bones. I have a torn ligament in my left knee. I have torn ligaments in both of my feet. I have sprained both of my ankles, sprained my right knee, sprained my right hip, and I have a severe sprain in my left shoulder. So pretty much all my joints are pretty much jacked. I'm getting a little better every day. I finally am able to walk short distances. I can't go out for a walk. Like, I couldn't go out and walk down the road with my dog, but I can go like down the hallway here. I can at least walk to the car with a cane. I don't have to use the crutches. The crutches were hurting my shoulder too much because I got the sprain in the shoulder, so I stopped using the crutches. So what I did is I have a cane, and if it's bad enough, I have a walking stick that I use together, which is a lot easier than putting a crutch under my shoulder, which is killing me. So anyway, I pretty much get around with the cane. Like I said, short distances here at the house, down the hallway, getting into the car, going from the car to a doctor's appointment. I can do that without crutches now, so that's a good thing. I can't bend my left knee, so my left knee, and I'm normally in this monster of a brace, which they just unlocked it, which was cool. My doctor just unlocked it. It was locked straight so that I couldn't bend it. I still can't bend it. He gave me the ability to bend it if it ever comes to that. And I normally wear this. This is what I have to wear to be able to walk. But the reason why I don't wear it when I'm sitting and stuff is because of the giant gash on my leg. This bottom portion of it sits right on the heart of the gash, and so it squeezes it, and so stuff starts coming out of it, and it won't heal. So I'm trying so hard to wear this as little as possible, so I wear it when I gotta walk. And then as soon as I sit down, I take it off. I'm wearing these other knee braces, which I bought myself from Amazon just to supplement this. So what I do is I wear both the knee braces. I put this on top of it, And then that way when I take this off, I still have support in this knee because both my knees are jello. I can bend my right knee, but I can't. I can bend my right knee, but I can't twist it. So, little minor twists that you do just to shift your feet or something like that, it kills me. So that's why the braces help. It helps remind me that I can't do this kind of a motion. And so, it restricts me and makes me feel supported because, like I said, my knees are like jello. The bruises are finally starting to kind of clear up a little bit. Doctor wouldn't MRI my feet. And so it's kind of like a educated guess that I have the torn ligaments in my feet. He wouldn't MRI my feet because what he did is he did an x-ray, made sure there was no broken bones, and then he did stress tests. So he tried bending my ankle and tried putting pressure on me and doing things like that, which he determined didn't require surgery. And that is the only reason why he would order MRI if he felt there was surgery that needed to be done. They would do the MRI to figure out where exactly they need to go in and do the surgery. But since he didn't feel surgery was necessary, he didn't even MRI my feet. So he's assuming that the reason why I can't move my toe, I can't bend my toes, and the reason why I can't do a lot of normal range of motion with my feet is because I have the torn tendon. So unfortunately, that's not something he confirmed with an MRI. It's just kind of his educated best guess based on, again, my range of motion and the pain I'm feeling, the swelling I had, and the bruising I had. So the remedy that's been prescribed to take care of all of my body parts, all of my joints, is physical therapy. And it's going to be a long physical therapy road because I was told they work on one body part grouping at a time. So they won't be working on my shoulder, my knees, and my feet at the same time. I'll have my feet one day, my knees the other day, my hips the other day, and my shoulder the other day. So it's just it's going to be a long road because I can't just go and, get the therapy done in one session for my whole body. So it's going to be a process, be a really long process. So physical therapy, that's something I'm just waiting to start. They didn't want to start it right away. They wanted to wait a little bit. So I am waiting to get that booked. Showering is the hardest thing. I have to have a shower chair to shower. I can't bend my left knee, so getting my left knee into the bathtub is hard enough as it is. So getting in there and then getting in the chair, and I do have a swivel chair, but the problem is that my bathtub doesn't quite have enough room for the swivel chair to swivel. So unfortunately, I have to get into the bathtub without swiveling the chair. So getting in the bathtub is pretty hard, and then showering in a shower chair is just hard. It's I have a wand, and I'm bathing and stuff, but it's really really to clean your back and clean your backside and everything when you're locked into a chair. So that's been the hardest thing. I had to get also a thing for the toilet so that I can get up and down off the toilet. That's the hardest thing. I also had to buy a couch. I wasn't prepared to have to heal from a major accident, so my house wasn't really set up for it. I had these really two big chairs with ottomans, and the ottomans, to get them comfortable, you got to move them around, and which I wasn't able to do, and I can't get it on and off the chair with the ottoman there, and I need the ottoman there to put my legs up, so it just was a really big pain in the ass. So I finally decided, since I'm no longer paying $200 a month for my motorcycle, that I would parlay that into a couch payment. So I went and financed a couch that has recliners in it and everything, so that I'm able to at least get my feet up, get in and out of it very easily. I can lay down if I need to lay down, which I wasn't able to do with the chairs. So yeah, that's some things I had to change in my home to try to accommodate this issue I'm dealing with. I am going back to work tomorrow. So today's Labor Day, and I am going to go back to work tomorrow. I am not able to, I work on a movie lot, and it's huge, and my parking structure is very far from where I work. I did get a disabled placard that I'm able to use temporarily, and then I also was given a golf cart. So I'm going to be able to pull up, hobble to the golf cart, take the golf cart to my office, sit up, and thankfully there is an elevator in my building. My building is 103 years old, and yet it does have a functioning elevator. So I'm able to get in that elevator, get up to my office, and pretty much just post up there all day. I also have like comfy couches and things in the office, so if I'm feeling like I need to take a break and I need to get my legs elevated, I have the ability to do that. So I'm lucky in that I have a job that will allow me to take a break for a minute if I have to elevate my legs and just get comfortable. They've been very accommodating. I want to say my boss has been great, so I really appreciate not only the time off that you've been giving me. He's been holding work for me, and he's also accommodating me by getting me a golf cart and stuff like that. So I really appreciate everything people are doing to help me. It's really awesome. It's something that shows that people care, and I'm really appreciative of all of you folks, all of you subscribers, all of my friends that have been helping me out, everyone that's been helping me at work. I really do appreciate it. Work also, by the way, I should mention, work also sent me a nice bouquet of flowers, and they bought my mom and I lunch, so that was super awesome. Like, that was really, really sweet thing. So I appreciate you all at work for doing that for me. You're all amazing people. I'll finish up by saying is that I'm still not sleeping. I'm having issues at night. A lot of it is I just keep thinking about the accident. I keep worrying about my friends that still ride. Like, my friend posted a video of him riding, and I couldn't even watch it, which really sucks because it looked like it was a really cool video too, and he's riding in one of my favorite places. And I couldn't watch it. I could only watch it for about 30 seconds, and I had to shut it off because I know he didn't crash the bike. I know he didn't crash because he posted the video. So it's like I should be just chilling. I should watch it, but for some reason, again, I know he's not crashing because he posted the video, but I still couldn't watch it. It kept making me give me anxiety, and I kept thinking about getting hit by a car. So it sucks because when the accident first happened, I felt proud of myself for what I did to avoid a more severe injury. I wasn't able to avoid the crash, but I was able to at least hopefully mitigate a tremendous amount of damage to my body by attempting to jump off the bike. I attribute those reflexes to my years riding rodeo, when I rode bulls, and bareback horses. I was proud. I was really proud of myself when the accident first happened, because I was like, oh, wow, I kind of did a good thing to keep from getting killed. And that pride kind of went away, and I started really thinking about it, and I really started to get depressed and feel like estranged. It's weird because I kind of felt like just having the motorcycle, I was part of a community. And now that I don't have it, I feel like I don't belong, right? So I start getting this feeling of estrangement, like, I'm not a motorcyclist anymore, And that kind of sucks because it's not like I need a label to identify as, to be part of something. I don't really need that, but it just, I don't know, it sucks. I feel like I just don't belong anymore. So anyway, I'm struggling with a lot of crap. Let's try to calm. So I'm seeing a therapist. I've only seen her twice. That's also a long process. So I'll be seeing her this week. I'll see her I think it's mid this week. No, actually, I think it's Thursday or Friday I see her. And she's helping me try to visualize the things that calm me down when I'm having panic attacks and stuff like that. And it is helping a little bit. And it's not like, go to your happy place kind of a thing. It's a little more involved than that, focus on the feelings you get when you're somewhere or doing something that you enjoy. So anyway, the point is, I won't go too deep into my therapy, but I've been seeing a therapist. It's been helping. Still not sleeping great. Part of that is also the pain I'm in. But anyway, the point is, I'm progressing. I'm getting better. Physically anyway. Mentally, I'm still on a long road to recovery there. So doing my best, seeing who I need to see to help move that along. So thank you everyone for bearing with me here. Sorry I rambled on for quite a while. I figured I owed you all an update. And thank you for everyone who's subscribed, who are subscribers. I do really appreciate it. And yeah, if you're still riding and you're a rider, please be careful out there. Study techniques to avoid crashes, study techniques to avoid hazards in the road. Wear gear, please, wear gear. I can't stress to you enough how much worse my injuries probably would have been if I was just wearing a helmet and gloves. You know what I mean? So just because you're a great rider and you know you're not going to dump down on the bike doesn't mean some asshole in a Cadillac isn't going to come and wipe you out because he's been drinking too much. So if you're still riding, be careful, wear gear, ride safe, folks. Okay? Thanks for joining me today. I appreciate all of you who are sending me well wishes, and I hope you all have a wonderful Labor Day weekend. Take care.